Dear friends, I welcome one and all at Goswami English Study Point, Bivasar District, Jhunjhunu. In previous part, I taught you narration, how to change an assertive sentence into indirect speech. Now, I will tell you how to change an interrogative sentence into indirect speech. So, first of all, we should know about general rules. Said or said to is changed into asked. At the time of changing an interrogative sentence into indirect speech, said to is changed into asked. Don't use that as a connective. Remove question mark and use full stop. These are general rules. By adopting all the general rules, we can change an interrogative sentence into indirect speech. There are two kinds of interrogative sentence. The sentence beginning with helping verb and the sentence beginning with WH verb. If there is a helping verb in the beginning of the sentence of reported speech, use if or whether as a connective and change the sentence into assertive one. For example, the manager said to me, "Are you a member of any political party?" You can see there is a helping verb are in the beginning of the sentence. So we can change this sentence like this, adopting all the rules, general rules. The manager asked me. Now you can see this is helping verb, and if there is a helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, we should use if or whether as a connective and change the sentence into assertive one. Asked me if. Now in assertive, first of all take subject. What is the subject in this sentence? Subject ये है you. You जो है second person है, and second person is changed according to the object of the reporting verb, and object is me. So you have to take subject of this object and we have to change you into I. Ism is changed into was verb. So we have to use was. If I was a member of any political party, we should remove question mark and use full stop. We can change this sentence like this: the manager asked me if I was a member of any political party. Second example, I said to him, did you buy a pen yesterday? Said to is changed into asked. I asked him. Did is helping verb, so we should use if or whether as a connective. I asked him whether whether this sentence belongs to past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense is changed into past perfect tense. Whether you is subject, you second person, and second person change according to the object of the reporting verb. So we have to take subject of this. If he had, and third form of the verb, if he had bought a pen yesterday. Okay, we can change this sentence like this. I asked him whether he had bought a pen yesterday. Yesterday changed into the previous day. Yesterday changed into the previous day. Now, rule number second. Now, second type of interrogative sentence. If there is WH word in the beginning of the sentence of reported speech, don't use if or whether as a connective. Like this, the culprit said to the judge, "What have I done to deserve so hard a punishment?" This is interrogative one. So we can change this sentence like this. The culprit asked. Said to is changed into asked. The culprit asked the judge. Don't use if or whether. Take the same WH word as a connective and change the sentence into assertive one. The culprit asked the judge what. In assertive sentence, we have to write first of all subject what, and here is I is first person, and first person is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. And what is the subject? Culprit. This is third person. So we should take third person pronoun what, he, has, have is changed into had. What he had done to deserve so hard a punishment. Okay, which can change like this. The culprit asked the judge what he had done to deserve so hard a punishment. Second example. Example second. He said to me, "Where do you live?" He said to me, "Where do you live?" Said to is changed into asked. He asked me where. Now you is second person, and second person is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. This is the object. He asked me where I. This sentence belongs to present indefinite tense, and present indefinite change into past indefinite. In past indefinite, we have to use second form of the verb. Where I lived. Like this. Third one. The teacher said to me, "What is your name?" The teacher said to me, "What is your name?" We can change this sentence like this. The teacher asked me What? Your is possessive of second person, and second person is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. This is the object, and what will be the possessive? My. What my name was. Ismr is changed into was verb. Third example, dear friends, to watch more videos, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.